What is up? Um, I am here. Man, beard's pretty shiny. Anyway, I'm here. This is my office space that I've made in my new place. Uh, a new office space. Microphone over here. But anyway, why I'm here today is I'm going to. I found a way to make like a cheap recording studio, and we're gonna put it together and see how well it works. Um, so got this idea online. Not gonna tell you where because it was super sketch, but I thought it was a great idea. So super cheap. Besides spending $1,000, $800, $500 for a recording booth, kind of work with what you got. I don't know if the birds are gonna pick up with whatever, but anyway. So we're gonna do that real quick. Is we're gonna build. I'm gonna show you my what I did, and we're gonna build my recording studio. All right. So again, we do have my space. Ceiling is up there. I got birds right outside the window, so this is going to be a good test. Uh, this is looking pretty good in here. But yeah, this is my space. It's my desk. Don't worry about the desk. So anyway, what we did is 3D print a little bit. Is we bought an isolation stand. Mic's going to go right here. It's going to isolate all the noise. So, and we got a couple of soundproof blankets. So we got a couple of soundproof blankets. And then what we got is pop filter down here. Stay. So then what we got is this thing right here. Now this is an ice shanty, something like that. So what we're gonna do is cover this with the soundproof blanket, and we're gonna see how well that works. All right, now I'm gonna set it up. All right, this is the packaging it came in. It's pretty solid. It's supposed to be easy storage package type thing, and I'm not good at doing stuff one-handed, so I don't know how much you're gonna get before I pause the video. But I think these are for the anchors because, this is basically an igloo. So, all right, I'm gonna do this. We're gonna see how well this works. All right, this was not easy. So I immediately had to look at the instructions. So I think this is a two-person job. Okay, that definitely was not the easiest thing to set up. Should have been a two-person job, but we got it set up a little bit wider than I thought it would be. But I mean, it's an igloo. It's an igloo. Okay, so like I said, a lot bigger than I thought it was, but we're gonna make it work. It's pretty spacious in there. Let's set it up a little bit. We'll see what it's like. All right. If anything, I wish it was a little bit taller, but did a little mock setup in here. Got my stool. I don't know how tall it is gonna be for me to stand. Eskimos are pretty short. Got my everything. Got my light in there. All right, and we're gonna see how this plays out real quick. All right, here we go. This is just a test. I am testing my voice. Let's see how this goes. Oh! Well, I mean, not much of acoustics. It's in here. Ha 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 ha. I can't be defeated. It's never easy to come up with lines off the top of your head. But anyway, yeah, I think this is cool setup. I think this is cool setup. It was very affordable. I can't wait to start doing some voice samples in here and doing little stuff and things. I'm real excited. I don't know how this sounds right now because I'm recording from my phone instead of my computer. So that is the next challenge, is to see. I don't know how people record in studios. Like, I know I'm going to need a long cord, but I don't know how people do it per se, of like seeing the computer, stopping recording and stuff like that. Do I just keep a laptop in here and then cast my screen? So that's the next part of the thing. We're going to do that, but hey, I'm excited. I'm getting things going. Yeah, I got nothing to say right now, but hopefully this sounds good because I'm not re-recording. But this is my home cheap studio. I think altogether everything that currently I bought this for like $200. I need a couple of more quilts for the top. It's not hot in here, at least not yet. But I mean, once we start screaming and doing things, a little bit. But I got 2 exits right here and 1 over there. So yeah, that's my sound booth setup for the moment until I make it famous and can afford a bigger sound booth. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. One more video. See, put together. It's a lot easier to take apart, put back together when you know how it goes. Got to get another quilt, but everything else worked out fine. Easy storage. I can assemble it, disassemble it when I want to. Everything fits right there in my closet. But everything fits right in my closet. Got my stands there. Good to go. Oh, I have to use my pop filter, but here we go. I'm excited.